What's up, everyone? I'm Bill with Cali Track Days, Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, we're here at Cali Track Days, and look what I have in front of me. The 2015 BMW S1000RR. I absolutely love this bike. This bike has been absolutely neglected. I haven't ridden this thing in two and a half track days, and I absolutely love this bike. So today we're going to talk about why I love this bike over the BMW, the 2020, and why some of you guys thought I was crazy, but some of you guys understand. Some of you guys that own the older version BMWs understand what I'm talking about in the 2020 video and why I got rid of it. So we'll go over that. I've got no vest on, so I don't have to worry about breaking, and just going to go out and have a good session on the 2020 or the 2015 S1000. What's up, guys? It's hot today. Buttonwillow, 104 degrees. Absolutely scorcher out today. So we're gonna get out and let's talk about this. Let's talk about this lovely 2015 S1000RR. So we're in the B- group, so this should be a fun little group. But I'm hot, I'm tired, I've been on track all day. Thank you. I've been on track all day. Acceleration and brake. Acceleration and brake. Let's get some heat in these tires. So the 2015 BMW S1000RR, I love this bike, and I'm gonna tell you why I love this bike over the 2020. So first off, I'm absolutely comfortable on this bike. The ergonomics of the bike, just everything about this bike, I'm absolutely so comfortable on. It'll get used to here. So, first thing, let's talk about the big deals. So you see how this thing just takes off under 8,000 RPMs. It gets up to 8,000 RPMs pretty quick. So this bike just is, for power wise, for me, it's just so much more refined. And when I get out of the low end, so we're low end now, and it's just got that pickup. So look, there's no denying that under 8,000 RPMs, the 2020 needed to be tuned. And everyone says, Bill, why didn't you just tune the bike? Look, there are some other issues with that bike. So there was some other issues with that bike, and I didn't talk too much about it. But there's a backfire in the airbox, and it's happened multiple times. And for you guys that know, fuel injected bikes backfiring is not a good thing. So the backfiring was a problem, and it's been reported out with a couple people. I got a guy that's in Concord who has one, and he says it's happened to him. So that was one of the other issues that the bike had. That's one of the other issues that the bike had, was this backfiring. Also the idle, the low RPM idle, and the bike pretty much dying. Your 650 Ebe had the, I'm drawing a blank on what he said he had done, but he had something adjusted, but if you watch his bike, it still almost dies. So it's a bummer. But you know, look, I couldn't justify the $25,000 for a BMW S1000M package when I have this bike, which this bike does just, if not everything, the 2020 would do, and I own this bike. So, you know, the intention for me to get the 2020 was to get a better, newer bike. And you know, did I not give it enough time? Some people said that. Look, you weren't on the bike long enough. I just wasn't, I don't know, I wasn't feeling it, and I really felt that I needed to get rid of that bike right now and revisit the option. So we will be, I'm gonna get another 2020 or a 2021. There's no doubt that I'll get another one, but I think I'm gonna get just the stripped down version, because I didn't really feel that I got the benefit from the M package. I just wasn't feeling the M package, and also the added select stuff, right? Look, I've got basic suspension on here. I've got the basic electronics on this bike, and I love it. And so I think that's the route that I'm gonna go with the new bike, is just really just kind of basic. So did I miss a checkered? Everyone's getting off. Nope. So I think that's what I want to do with the new model BMW. Is just be where I was, be where I am. I love the look. I love the look. And everything else is so much like this bike. There's not much difference. So it's tough, man. I don't know. It's a rock and a hard place. But there were some other issues with the 2020. I didn't talk too much about the backfiring because I wasn't sure if it's just me, if it's just my bike. And it was before and after the exhaust, so it had nothing to do with the exhaust. So yeah, so we'll see what the future holds with the new model. I love the look, I love it, but I love this bike, man. I rail on this bike, and I hope the people that criticize me Thanks, guys. I'm not the best rider, but shit, I think I can ride a bike. So the 2020 will be back in my life at some point in my life. But I think right now, let's enjoy this 2015. Let's enjoy the 2015 for one more lap. I'm getting hot. $104 today, guys. It's hot. These undergarments are just amazing. It's so crazy, the undergarments. Like, I'm hot in my head. No pun intended. But my body, feels really cool. The air is ventilating through, so that's nice. So we're gonna wrap up this session right now. We'll cool off a little bit, get our last wheelie over the wheelie hump. Whoop. But for the support and the guys that are still here from that video, we'll be back. Don't worry, we'll be back. Thanks for the support. Thanks for all the positive comments. And we'll be back sooner than later with that 2020, 2021, I think. But I think we will be, like I said, with the lower end model. But I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. I think then I would be okay and justified to sell this thing and offset it with instead of a $15,000 price tag edition, set it off with just a few $1,000s. I'll take it all day long. So thanks for coming along on the 2015. Why I love this bike? Well, you see, I'm just so comfortable on it. I absolutely love this bike. So thank you guys for sticking around. And thanks for understanding with the 2020. And you guys that have it, you know, I've been hearing some great things about the tune and the flash on the tune. And I'm very glad that people are able to get that thing tuned up and dialed in a little bit better. So for those guys, hey, that I'm great for that. For the people that you know, criticize me for getting rid of the bike, look, I really think that we you know, that we're gonna be back and we'll give it another shot. So, but thanks guys for watching. Again, the 2015 BMW S1000, as always, just a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful bike. Thanks again. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Head over to Cali Track Days. Check out the website. And if you guys are in California, we're next up in Thunder Hill on September 26th. You can get signed up to ride right here on the track. But thanks, guys. We'll see you next video.